Hey, it's Sammy with Trading Transformations. I get asked all the time, what strategy works best for trading? Well, the answer is pretty easy. Any strategy is a good strategy as long as you know and understand it. So let's break down trendline trading. Before we jump into trendline trading and break down how the data can help you confirm the moves that you're looking for at those trendline areas, let's take a look at the three components with any trading strategy and uncover the number one problem and what's missing from every trading strategy. So this simple diagram breaks down what most trading strategies are made up of. Typically, most trading strategies focus on a fundamental analysis or a technical analysis. Those are awesome. The fundamental analysis will provide you the why your trade should happen. In other words, if you have a good fundamental analysis, you could look at a chart and say, this should happen. Excellent. A technical analysis provides you the where the trade should happen. So you could look at a chart with a good technical analysis and say, well, this area, whether it's volume point of control, supply and demand, any of these kind of technical things, smart money concept, this should happen right around here. So you have those two components, but the third thing you're missing is confirmation. And that's you don't know when this is going to happen. So oftentimes what happens is traders jump in based on technical and fundamental analysis, and either the trade does go, or it chops, or it's wrong. So let's take a dive in and look at how trend lines behave. So I usually start out on a higher time frame, take a look and see if there's any trend lines I can mark up and how price is behaving at those trend lines, or in other words, where price is behaving. You can see we had the long trend line coming down from the top, and then we had that short trend line coming up from the bottom. Then I start zooming down into the lower time frames with those trend lines to see how price is behaving. So this is that 15-minute chart now, and on the left we have our optimizer. So right when we are breaking that trend line, we can see where the data starts firing. In our top panel, we have momentum. We have numeric momentum. It's also heat mapped for convenience. In that middle panel, we have numeric sentiment, which is also heat mapped. So we have incredible 5 time frames of momentum. So the market's moving fast. We have 5 time frames of sentiment, which means the market is going to follow through and hit our targets. And then at the bottom panel there, we have volatility breaks. So when we have volatility breaks, the market is behaving out of character and is going to generate large candles. That's why you see when we break this trend line, we follow through and the market moves in a near vertical fashion. That's because we are working with incredibly powerful numeric data in the optimizer. We can actually, in a sense, read the market when it's doing this. The best part about this data is it's real time, market generated, and it locks. This does not repaint. There's no guesswork with this. And because we've added the heat mapping, the color scheme can just draw our eye right to it. No matter whether you're a trendline trader, a smart money concept trader, supply and demand zone trader, a volume profile trader, a VWAP trader, a trend trader, a reversal trader, this is the number one solution for any trading strategy. You already know the why, you already know the where, but now you know the when with this powerful numeric data. Book a call, we'll walk you through the process on how you can transform your trading once and for all.